to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today's fun PE game is called Bank It In. Don't go anywhere. I'll show you the instructions in just a moment. For this game, what you're going to need is a piece of cardboard, 6 water bottles, some tape, and if you have a bouncy ball or a ping pong ball, that would be best. Your job or your objective is to bounce the ball off the backboard and bank it in and make it land in the cup. Okay? You will have 6 of the bottles, and your goal is to see how fast or how many shots it's taken you to make it in each cup. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and count 5 steps from the wall, and then I'm going to start this game. If you want to make them a little more challenging, you can do 8 steps, but for this demo, I'm going to do 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to go ahead and turn around, and then again, I got to bank the ball in, and hopefully it lands in the cup, so wish me luck. Starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. One, Kobe. Kobe. So that took me 1 minute and 49 seconds to complete. Again, pretty fun. I am a little sweaty, so it is exhausting. Hope you guys enjoy this activity. Starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.